Those are the best chocolate sorbet I've ever had in my life.
Hey Mark, say hi. Say hi everybody. It's Ugly Sweater Day.